Welcome to Slime Rancher, where we will actually be starting a new game with this icon for no reason. And we're gonna name it oh jeez, I don't know what to name. We're gonna name it Frosty, because why not? Why not? And ooh, dragons encouraged. Question mark. Actually, we're gonna go with the adventure. We could do the 5-day rush later, but I wanna do a new adventure mode and start it with you guys. So we're gonna have a ton of fun and carrots. Those are reasons. Yeah, I have like 10 hours into the game, but thanks for the advice. Oh jeez. Yeah, I've been playing this game kind of a lot. And I've gotten pretty far, but we're gonna start a new one, which is a-okay. So let's get some carrots, because carrots are awesome, and they're actually pretty great. Oh wow, a pink port, I am amazed. There, let's get a few slimes, so we can put them into my slime range. Sure, we're gonna start with 10, because it's really, actually no, it's about 15, because it's really, it is really easy though. To have too many slimes, and then they're all mad at you that you can't feed them. Slimes. Boom. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't need you. Because I don't like you. Here, let's try to actually sound up a bit more. All the way, because of reasons that you will not be notified of. You will not be notified of these reasons, because I said so. I'm not a bad person, you're the bad person. Triggered. Triggered. Alright, let's go down here. Let's collect some of these plorts. We don't need no stinking tabby plort. Also, we're full of carrots. So many carrots. Yeah, we got all of the carrots. Yeah, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm gonna now that I think I have everything in order. I keep saying that, and I don't have everything in order. But now that I think I have everything in order, I should upload on time. Oh, nice, 13. Normally it's like 7 or 6. Sick, man. It's gonna give me a lot of money to start off with. So, actually, I'm only gonna start with like 5 slimes because I don't want them to get out of here. Which I know they can very easily do. And some fruits. Crap. It's like, are you freaking kidding me? 3, 4, 5. Let's get this one. Get out of my ranch, slime. Get the poop face out of my range. Wow, really? No kidding. No freaking kidding allowed. Alright, nice. Good throw, good shot. Good throw. Come here, son. Where are you? Here, son, bastard. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna try to make a series out of this as long as you guys enjoy. Some more plorts. Let's go over here. Yeah, I've played this game quite a bit, and it's a really fun game. I've played it quite a lot, and I love it so much, to be honest. Nice, we got those rocky dudes over here. We got some largos, which are big fat pieces of poop that or I don't gee, that's actually true though. They do like poop. I mean, that's how they're made. That's how largos are made. It's when it's when something eats a different poop that isn't its own poop. It's murder. This game should be rated R because of murder. Let's go back to my farm because I don't want my slimes to get all upset and unhappy. let's not go into details of this game, because you know I'd rather just say it happy and lively and not dark. You know. Yeah, my sprint sucks. I remember when I don't even know how to sprint. I remember when I don't even know how to talk good. Do I still? Oh, I'm a 5, 3, 5. Okay, there it is. Let's get some more poker fruits in here. I'm gonna leave lots of poker fruits, and you guys can eat them when you like. Reach around that guy with poker fruits for no good reason. Oh my jeez! I know how they work already. No, I have more. Shut up. Money. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna get some high walls. Nice. Now I can put. I'm gonna put that in here. We're probably gonna get a core collector next when I get up 500. Just so much money. We're gonna read my mail in a sec here. Yeah, so you know, if most of you are familiar with this game, some of you may not be, it's just a good old-fashioned farming simulator, to be honest, but with slimes for reasons that you need to not know, for very valid reasons. Okay, they're very valid. Okay,
I might be lying.
shh, you didn't hear anything. You're insane. I'm not insane. You're insane. So yeah, moving on. Nice. Yeah. Oh jeez. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3 different types. There is gonna be a tar. I'm gonna be here, and a tar is gonna be made, 100%. I'm not gonna be happy because I'm gonna have to kill the tar. So how tars work is when a largo, you know, like this largo, eats some kind of tabby core, like that. Better not eat it. Okay. Now if that guy, this can only end in disaster. It literally can only end in disaster. You know, I'm getting out of here. I don't trust this. I really don't trust this. Okay, the tar isn't on my account. You can't blame me for it. Look, if he's compared to that guy over there. That dude man, that fat dude man, Jamaica man. That's not racist. Only a little bit. I can see. What the heck is wrong with you guys? You're normal. Yes, I know that. Just like me, I'm very normal. I don't have speech impediments. I have speech blockers. Shuts up. I don't know how to word this. Very good. So I wasn't really learn myself so quickly. Let's collect these reports. Give you some more food. I'm gonna leave a lot of food. I'm probably not gonna get food depositor because those things don't even know how to deposit food. You had one job, and you made all my slime starve. Okay, great. That's about covers the basics. That about covers stuff. Ah, jeez. I know how to roast people. You're insane. I'm not insane. Shh. Yeah. So you know, I'm not worried. I hope this is entertaining in some way or form. Probably not. Damn it. Yeah. So we're just gonna get some more quartz. Get a quart back, you know, and we're gonna get lots of other slimes and stuff. And we can do the 5-day rush later, after we do kind kind of finish up on this one, which was gonna take a while, like a really long while, like a really long freaking while. Oh jeez, nope, knew it. Freaking knew it. I freaking knew it. Oh no, oh no, no, oh, there's so many. Oh, why is there so many? Oh, I freaking knew it. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, they still came back. Oh, potatoes. I'm gonna have to sacrifice you, aren't I? I'm gonna have to sacrifice you, aren't I? Can't take any tabby boards because of reasons. Very good and valid reasons. So so to start off, we're gonna take it like one day at a time, because one day is supposedly it's 24 minutes instead of 24 hours. So you know. So you know, I think that's how that's gonna work for a while. Yeah. So it's just, oh yeah, phosphor. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to talk good. But those slime. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. I need that. Normally I get like pink largos, you know, just like a pink with like a rock, or a pink with a phosphor or a tabby. But I need to get that. The rock slime with the tabby slime, that looks amazing, to be honest. But it's still a char waiting to happen, so you know. I mean, come on, all he has to do is eat a pink, and then he's done for. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna work out very well, to say the least. Just jump on this, or not. Nope, don't jump on the fence. Yay, dude. Oh boy, that's 30. Boy, so much money. Boy, that's the only word I know how to say good, is boy. You wanna check it? Let's check it. So you know. Alright, nice. Nice, man! So 13, got all the money! Okay, nice. So we're gonna get this vac, a floor collector. I'm gonna put these 5 in. I'm gonna put these carrots in. So you guys have lots to eat. You guys have lots to eat. So I think you'll survive. I think you'll be fine. Alright, so we're gonna go out one more time. And it's gonna be, we're gonna wrap up this episode. For reasons. Phosphor! Let's get some phosphor supports. I need to get some food to throw it in their faces. Just get this food real. Boom! Okay. My laugh isn't awkward at all. Alright. Ooh, a rack slime. How amazing! It's a rack floor. I'm amazed. I'm appalled. I know how to words good. Yeah, well, I'm no expert at this game, but you know, I ain't no noob either. Okay, that might not be entirely true, but I mean, I feel like I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I say that now, I'm gonna fail so bad. I'm gonna be such an idiot. I'm gonna do something like really stupid. Alright, nice. Yes, let's get those floors. Get out of here, fat tabby. I'm not being mean, you're being mean. I feel like I'm the only one that laughs at my jokes. Oh wait, yes I am! That's not depressing, you're depressing. Right, carrot, oh my gosh, it's a carrot. I can't believe there's a carrot. That's so amazing. It's a freaking carrot. Look at that carrot. I'm gonna try and edit this video good so I don't fail on the recordings. Yeah, I need my edit. Yo, faster, dude, faster. Eat it! I'm gonna slam it in your face so you eat it. Alright, nice. I don't care about that chicken. It's just a chicken. Animal abuse. Yeah, alright, well, that's good. That's a good. That's a good. Got all triggered! Yep, I'm definitely the only one that laughs at my jokes. Because my jokes are 100% pure unfunniness. Unfunniness is a word, gosh dang it. Let's see how many points we have in here. Freaking none! We have negative. Oh, what the heck. Good job. Freaking job. Come on, guys, you have so much food. Alright, I have groceries. Let's see. Oh, nice, 34. Yeah, see, and this is going down to 10. Which, that's still pretty good. We're 15 seconds over the recording time. We're all gonna die. It's a fact. It's a fact. Pure factualness. Alright, yeah, well, let's just, I'm gonna just pull out my thumbnail. But that's pretty much it for today's video. You guys can read this if you would like to. You can just pause it and read it, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and share. If sharing's still a thing, then share this video. Share it. And comment, subscribe, share, like. I didn't say any of those things over again. Shut up. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Okay. You guys better read fast. Speedy fast readers. You better be fast. Oh, just guys, good luck to you, Mr. Split. Miss Lebaux. See, I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Right, well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Comment, share, because I need love. And comment down below what I should do for the next episode. And if you enjoyed this video. Alright, well, Skaters keep skating, haters keep hating, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. That was totally not a failures.